Are you tired of buying private label rights products that just sit on your hard drive doing nothing? If you want a complete, ready-to-sell business in a box that actually converts, pay close attention. Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at the Change Your Perspective Fast Start Coaching Kit. I will show you exactly what this is, how the funnel works, and why my massive bonus package makes this a complete no-brainer. Make sure you check the link in the description because I'm giving away an exclusive software bundle you will not find anywhere else. Here is my quick verdict. This is not your average low-quality PLR text dump. This is a fully produced 10-module tripwire funnel in the evergreen mindset niche. It includes professional video lessons, audio tracks, and all the sales pages you need. For under $10, it is one of the easiest ways to get a high-converting front-end offer live today. So what exactly is Change Your Perspective? It is a comprehensive coaching kit focused on mindset shifts and personal growth. The beauty of this package is that it targets a universal problem. People are stuck in their ways and want practical guidance on how to change their habits. You get full private label rights to 10 research-backed written lessons, 10 expert video lessons, slide decks, graphics, and a complete affiliate center. The target audience here is endless. Whether you are an affiliate marketer, a coach, or a funnel builder, you can plug this in as a low-ticket offer to turn cold traffic into instant buyers. It solves the biggest hurdle in marketing. You do not have to write a single word of copy, record a single video, or build a single page from scratch. As I scroll through the sales page on the screen right now, you can see the sheer amount of value packed into this kit. Module 1 gives you the written lessons. Module 2 gives you the high-quality MP4 video lessons. As we keep scrolling, you'll see the audio files, the presentation slides, and the editable e-covers. They even give you the high-impact sales letter, the delivery page, and a lead capture page. This means you can literally upload these files to your hosting, add your buy button, and start selling it as your own product within an hour. Let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end offer is ridiculously underpriced at just $7 to $10. That's where you grab the core PLR license. Once you're in the funnel, there are 3 optional upgrades. Upsell 1 is $37, Upsell 2 is $77, and Upsell 3 is $37. You don't strictly need the upsells to make money with the front end, but they are designed to give you even more done-for-you assets to maximize your profits. Now, let's talk about the App Verdict exclusive bonus package. Having a great product is useless if you can't drive traffic or convert visitors. So if you click the link in the description and pick this up today, I'm giving you a massive software arsenal to guarantee your success. Bonus number 1, Social Ultima. This is an all-in-one social media marketing tool to boost your views and traffic for free across multiple platforms. Bonus number 2, Pin Marketer. Automate your Pinterest tasks to drive untapped buyer traffic directly to your new sales page. Bonus number 3, the Facebook Viral Turbo Machine. Use this to create viral share loops and collect leads before giving access to your content. Bonus number 4, Instagram Feeder. Automatically pull engaging content to your site to build social proof and authority. Bonus number 5, Lead Book Generator. Easily integrate Facebook lead ads directly with your autoresponder to build your buyer list fast. Bonus number 6, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers directly inside your emails and on your sales pages to force scarcity and skyrocket conversions. Bonus number 7, WP Checkout Maximizer. A plugin designed specifically to recover abandoned carts and increase your checkout conversion rates. Bonus number 8, Vid Builder, a WordPress page builder that creates lightning-fast, responsive video sales pages in minutes. Bonus number 9, a full reseller license to WP Video Ace. Not only can you use this premium video player, but you can sell it and keep all the profits. And bonus number 10, a full reseller license to MemberPal, a powerful WordPress membership plugin so you can lock your new PLR content behind a paid paywall. You are getting the exact tools you need to drive traffic, capture leads, and close sales for your new product. But you need to act fast. This massive App Verdict bonus bundle is strictly limited to the first 50 buyers who pick up Change Your Perspective through my link. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed. Do not miss out on this 80% off launch discount. Click the link in the description below to secure your copy and instantly unlock all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. Your bonuses will be waiting for you directly inside your Warrior Plus purchase receipt. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more no-nonsense reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.